Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your Xiaomi Watch S3, so first of all, we have to rotate our device. And as you can see at the bottom, next to the sensor, we can actually find two pins. So right here, we have to attach our charger. So let me quickly show you. The charger you can actually find in the box. So we have to actually put these two gold pins on our watch. So it looks like this. Take a look. Gold pins into this place. As you can see, it is attached automatically. And now, just right here, we can actually find the USB-A cable. The second end of this one is actually the USB-A. So all you have to do is just to grab any other like charging brick. And in my case, I'm using actually this one, the old one from the Huawei, from my old phone. And you can plug it here. You can also plug it into your PC, laptop, or for example, into the power bank. And after attaching this cable, so this cable actually looks like this, you will be able to charge your device. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.